Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This is my personal experience using the platform. RevContent is a content recommendation platform that aims to drive user engagement and revenue for publishers. Unlike some other platforms, which might focus on sheer volume, RevContent emphasizes high-quality content and a more tailored approach to recommendations. They aim to connect publishers with engaging content that resonates with their audience, leading to increased clicks, time spent on site, and ultimately, higher earnings. One key aspect of RevContent's strategy is its focus on native advertising. This means the recommended content is designed to blend seamlessly with the publisher's website, creating a less disruptive experience for the user. This integrated approach can lead to higher click-through rates because the recommendations feel more like a natural extension of the site's content. RevContent also boasts a robust performance optimization system. Through sophisticated algorithms and data analysis, they continuously refine the recommendations served to each user, ensuring the most relevant and engaging content is displayed. For publishers, this translates to maximized revenue potential. Beyond just the technology, RevContent prides itself on its customer service. They offer dedicated support to their publishing partners, assisting with integration, optimization, and any other needs that may arise. This hands-on approach helps ensure publishers get the most out of the platform. While RevContent is a powerful tool, it's important to understand that its effectiveness, like any platform, depends on several factors, including the publisher's website traffic, audience demographics, and the overall quality of the content being promoted. If you're looking for a content recommendation platform that prioritizes quality over quantity and offers personalized support, RevContent might be a worthwhile option to explore. Remember, success with any platform requires careful consideration and ongoing optimization. Be sure to do your research and experiment to find what works best for your specific needs and audience. For more insights and tips on digital marketing and content strategies, make sure to subscribe to Rome Tips and stay tuned for more videos.